Hey, it's Paul Rugarber here. Tip of the day, tip number 4 today. What are we talking about? Patience. So how can patience help you achieve your goals and do what you want to do? Sometimes we look at things and we say, okay, so I really want to do this and I'm going to make these changes and I'm going to get results right away. And you make the changes or you try something different and nothing happens. And you're like, oh, well, that didn't work, so I'm going to do something else. And you don't have any patience with the process. But if you can understand and say, all right, I know other people have done this and it's worked, so I'm going to try it and I'm going to see if it works. But you're really going to be willing to hang in there for a little bit. Like starting any new business, people know that there's a high failure rate. So you got to be dedicated to it. You can't just start it and expect for a week, a month, a year, or something to happen. Maybe you got to be in it for the long term. Same thing with your life. If you want to eat better, if you want to exercise, if you want to have a better relationship, it doesn't happen overnight. It doesn't happen because you change one thing today or you change one thing this week. It's a lifelong process of learning and having patience to wait for those results, to know that if I keep doing this, then I'm going to get those results that I want. And you keep plugging away at it, and maybe you need to make a few adjustments along the way, but you keep doing the process that you know is going to work. Have faith in it and have a little patience with it, and then you're going to get those results. And then you have to look for those results. So you can't expect everything to change all at once, but small things are going to change. So you need to recognize that and say, look, this got a little bit better. I got a better result. I got a better response from someone, or I look a little bit better. My business is doing better. Whatever those results are that you're looking for, have patience in the process. Look for the small results, the small key indicators that you can say, okay, I'm happy about that. Express a little gratitude about having those small accomplishments, and then you'll look for the bigger stuff and it'll compound and it'll grow and it'll get better and better. But you got to look for the good results. Have patience with the process, make small adjustments along the way, and that will lead to your ultimate success in whatever it is that you want to do. Patience in the process. Keep plugging away, learning every day, and I will see you again soon. Hope you enjoyed it.